How to turn off auto rotate on any iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto rotate on any iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we head on to the actual steps, what we're going to do first is to actually check if our iPhone is updated to the latest software version or to the latest iOS version. So to check that, let's go to the settings app right here. I'm just going to go back to the pages so that you will be guided. And from here, let's click on General and click on Software Update right below the About option. So just click on that and wait for your phone to check for an update. Actually, I seem to have network issues and checking for update is taking longer than normal. So I'm just going to narrate on the overview on how to check if your iPhone is up to date. So if it prompts you to download a certain update, software update or something like that, just click on the download and install button so that you will be updating your phone to the latest software version. So if you're currently at the latest software version, you're good to go, because this will actually also ensure that you will be facing the same user interface and you will be guided all throughout on turning off your auto rotate option. So first, I'm gonna go to the Notes app right here to test the feature of auto rotate. So I'm just gonna tilt my phone to the side, and that actually automatically rotates. So if you don't want that, what we're going to do is to swipe down from the upper right corner of our phone, and that should open up your control center. To turn off the auto rotate, you just simply have to click on this icon right here, that shows a padlock and a circle arrow thing. Just click on that and the portrait orientation lock will be turned on. So I'm just gonna test it, and go to the Notes app again. And once I tilt my phone, that should not be automatically rotated. So that is how you can basically turn off auto rotate on any iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.